So today guys, we'll be making this awesome tank here. It's my version of a tank I recreated called the Renault FT-17. It has this like sort of angled track part, you see, which I made, and yeah, so this is one of the single tracks. If you don't have this connected to it, see? Pretty simple. Then when you want to connect it back together so you can clip it on, just clip that together, then just clip it on. So we'll be making that for starters. So first off, we'll be making the track, okay? So I'll take everything apart, put that there for now. So each track is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 17, 18, 19, 20. So yeah, you need 20 of these track pieces. And then what you'll need next is you'll need one of these. So I'll take these apart. So you need one of these parts, then one of these, see here. Also for the smaller one, you need one of these small cogs, another one of those. Then you need 2 of these little blue parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hold smooth one like that. Then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again hold part like that. And to make the track, what you'll do is you'll get this part, see? Then what you'll do is put that there, 1 brick apart, and you'll have to do that, otherwise it won't work. Then you'll get this part here, put it in one after that. Now you'll get your 5 cornered one like that again, put that there. Now see these 2, what you'll do, listen carefully, put that one on one side, that one on the other, and depending on the direction you want to be the front. So see, that's the direction for there. So we'll get that big one, because that's the front there, put that there, little one there, and then you have that. Then you'll connect up all your separate track parts, and yeah, I'll tell you the next step once I'm finished. Now, once you've done a little bit, then what I do is just start on another part. See? Now I'll make this small part here. Connect all these together, see, like I'm doing. Now we've got it, the track. All we have to do is line it up, see? Put it over, connect the last 2 pieces together, then you have your first tracks. Now I'll go on to the other track, which is basically the same actually. So you get your 20 again, like I told you last. Like it's the same amount for each track, otherwise it wouldn't work. So that's 40 track parts in total. And then again, the big cog, your little cog. Then your 2 parts like that. Your 5 again. See, like me, I didn't get the same color. So yeah, your tank doesn't have to be the same color as mine. It can be any color. And now I'll put it back together. So remember, put that in the second hole from there. Same on the other side. And then what you do is you click that in. Put that part there. That part there. And so this is the other side now. Big one on the other side now. see? And then you get a little one there. Now what you do is you again connect your track up together, and then you have your other track. Then check for any cracked parts. Well, not cracked, but like unconnected, but on one side. Okay, that's good. Okay guys, I'm back. So we'll be creating this part here, see? So first, you'll need these parts that I'll show you here. So what you will need is one of these. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you get a 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, a 2 by 6. And then you find the last part there, connect it, then get a 2 by 4, put that there. See? Now what you'll do is you'll get it can be either way. That's the front. I'll choose this way. I'll show you later why. And then I'll get those two there, put the rest of these 2 by 2s like that. Then see here, put them that way to strengthen that connection up there. See? Now what I'll do next is get it so there is, I think, yeah, 1 block space. Wait, no. Yeah, 1 line space there. Then what you'll do is get this part there, put that part there, another one of those there, or those there, and then you have this part. Now we'll be continuing on to this one here. So you'll need 2 of those, 1 of those. So yeah, I might make mistakes with this part. It's the hardest part, even though it's the smallest. So, first thing that we are going to do, we're going to need this back, see? And then, what you'll do is get that part there, that there, 1 more there. Okay, now, put that one there, that's there. Then, you will go there again, there, put that there again. Then there, another one there. Now what you do here is get this smooth part here, put that on that side, see, left side, that part there. Now you get all these parts here, connect them all up, guys. See, like this. Then what you do is put that there. Then after that, you get this 2 part, put it there. Slide that onto the first part there, but make sure this is even. Slide it in. That there. Then we're on to the last step. Get your tracks, see? Make sure the big one's facing the front. Put it like that. Other one, put it there. And then, there you go. You have your awesome tank. So if something like that happens, all you have to do is take that off, connect it on, and do that. See? Then you have your awesome fully functional tank. Well, slightly fully functional. Okay? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.